like khuleka
wama brother
khuleka kwazongithinta
ngicela usondele kancane eduze kumele ngiyizwe phela umuntu engikhuluma naye ngithi ukufila ngathi udle ngoba ngeke sesitalo sami
how check my pod.
When how do you feel about him?
Usevele wangithina off nje.
You
indlela
it's just the honeymoon phase boy. Woman.
Uyasebenza, are you working?
Really cut back to the so basically today we asked to love show though. Cheyenne love show, let's see what happened, bro. First episode.
The first game is simple. Two singles sit down for a short get-to-know each other date with a bell between them. If the vibe is off, sharp, tap the bell and the next person comes in. We keep it moving until two singles don't ring the bell at all and decide to stay as the match for the rest of the show. This time though, the singles will be blindfolded just to make sure we have more genuine connections. Let the games begin.
Ngiyabingelela kona kumuntu ukuthi ukhona igama lami ngophaka my sister umzulu futhi at the same time kodwa ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi akuthina sonke amazulu esenza ngendlela efanayo ngicatha ukuthi sinyane that chance or that opportunity ukuthi sazana mhlambe khona singakuzama
umzulu again. Oh God.
What did the Zulus do to you?
Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi sinikane isikhathi kona ukuzwenza ukuthi mhlambe sazane kangcono mhlambe kukhona mhlambe amaphutha lo nomunye umfowethu engawalungisa or kanjani.
So you guys have literally 2 minutes to speak, to touch, to do everything that you can do in that 2 minutes. But I'm not like you guys have to like know each other for 2 minutes. I'm gonna keep quiet for 2 minutes.
Okay. Yes. All right, cool. Let me go first, my sister. Okay. Yes. Ngokuhlala ngihlala eMeville ngisuka le Meville ngidabwa kamaphumulo la ngisuka khona so ngokuphila ngomuntu ohlanganisayo so ngithanda umuntu esifazane nje ukuthi usikhulekele and uyakuthanda futhi ukuphila noyithandayo ke isikhathi esiningi nohloniphayo.
Okay, umention ukuthi uhlala eMayville. I'll show if I could ask actually uyasebenza, are you working?
Yeah.
Where?
Ngokusebenza.
If you don't mind actually.
Yeah, like ngisebenza isiyezi kwamanje le.
Okay. Umzulu isibongo sakho?
KwaMthembu mina isibongo.
Mthembu, Jehova. Hey, ndoda yomzulu. Kodwa ke I'm completely healed now. I'm ready for a relationship.
Peter. You put another Zulu, another Peter boy.
So wena ke ndoda yomzulu. Yini ongayenza ngcono?
Mhlambe engingakwenza ngcono mina kuzwa ngokuthi umama yena uyanginika lento engidingayo as a man because nami sithi ngila ngithi ngifuna yena umuntu ukuthi uzoba lento engifisa ukuthi abe yona but mhlambe mawungekona uzongicomparison noma ngiqhathanise nalomuntu ukuthi ube nenkinga naye just because umzulu nami ngumzulu sisokwenza into efanayo
so you know idingayo
into engidinga umuntu esifazana umuntu consistent obegezela ongaqhathanisa ama relationships abangani bakhe noma kwabona kuma social media then sifuna ukuthi mina ngenze lokho because I won't be able to do
something though. Social media is not real life, dog. He's onto something. He's cooking.
Can I have your hand?
Where you are. All right, cool.
It's so cold.
It's because ngisingle kube kuthuba ukhona all along. Mhlawumbe beziyashisa and ngiyazizwe ziyashisa. Maybe ke ikhambe nesikhathi like
my brother. Is it your first time getting touched?
Okay. You can even go.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Nah. We're about to see a 16 now. Relax, dog. Calm down.
Okay.
Wow.
Uyajima. Madoda jima ayafeba, ejima.
Ayisonke.
Nababhiza amantombazana lapha lezinqawo God.
Kanti abafana ke you guys used to say abafana bafana but wenza kwabakufana into efana akusi. Kodwa mhlawumbe ikhamba nesikhathi zokubona ukuyiqinisa.
Okay, so mina ke shame ngithanda izinto, right? Ngithanda izinto. So njengendoda yami you must make.
Time is pelile. I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds.
So as I said, you must make sure that you take care of me. You maintain what you see, okay? So when will you be able to do that?
Hayi ngeke ngibona ukuthi ngizophumelela ukwenza lokho.
What a boy.
Besa manje umuntu oziveza futhi uthanda izinto oqala lokho.
Things elsewhere, boy.
So mhlawumbe kaphambana noma ukuphambana but then sukuveza ukuthi umuntu uthanda kakhulu izinto nobumnandi sekufanele ngibe i-time akuwena ngenze
I didn't say ubumnandi, ngithe umuntu othanda izinto, you must maintain this look.
So since we didn't buzz, which means akekho sabona okurong ngomoya, but then I don't know myself.
Yeah, oh, and also you're allowed to buzz. Oh, you guys didn't buzz in time, so.
I don't think that could be a problem, but then my sister.
Okay, take it. You guys will find a way out of this picture. Touch him, my sister, take this man, or take with you guys leave here. Because I want the other couple.
Where is that?
You guys have to make, you don't see each other. When you get there, you separate. One goes to left, one goes right. The team will help you.
Can I have a hug?
Hug.
Awa, my brother. On the first date. Awa, my brother. Relax, boy. You can see that the twice trying there, boy. You can clearly see that the twice trying there, boy. Awa, my brother. My brother is relaxed. My brother. On the first date, dog. On the first date. We're grabbing your ass already, boy.
You move back.
You're short.
Sorry? Again, back.
No.
Wait, please don't.
Left. Yeah, left.
Here is my left.
Yes. Go left. Go straight.
Brother's not gonna leave this relationship, I'm telling you, boy.
Straight.
I think it's found his match.
Yeah, my brother, leave her now. Move to
He's
your
not
right.
gonna leave her, though.
Yangale, on the other side. Yes. Go straight. Yeah, sorry. Hey, team, please help them. Hey. Why you off it? Hey, I'm sorry. The next couple. Guess number two. Oh, my sister, don't move like me. Yeah. You go in this. You go in here. There's a chair here. Yeah.
This looks like a
They
jollof
call me a
brother.
barbarian because I say a lot of bars
Hey.
unprovoked, like just now. When you say where the bar is a bar, and we're about to play a game, guys. We call it a blind date, right?
Yeah.
You guys are literally on a blind date right now. The person in front of you is an opposite gender.
Oh, you remove her?
No, you don't remove the blindfold.
She wants to swear already.
This man, yes, blindfolded. Yeah.
Sendela pia kwanza. Yabo.
Ningathanchana ngezandla. Raise your hands. Ngathi nasabana kanje yini kandawo.
Zimo sokubigwala.
2 minutes starts now.
Oh, okay. Ngicela ukusuka umkhona ngizomuza mama.
You wanna feel each other, boy.
What are you doing?
What jollof brother? Is he going in for a kiss?
What is this guy doing literally?
Kafila.
Ufila.
Oh mama nje.
Your body shape.
Yeah.
The structure.
Yeah, so
Umile. Yena ahlele phansi.
usuka umntana.
Kumngageni. Awu, ngirina nginjageni.
Kusho ngalancane.
And they better do a cha-cha.
360.
How are you gonna see the 360?
Exactly, boy. Exactly, dog. What is he doing?
How are you gonna fit? Oh.
Yo, boy.
Hey. Heaven is what you pray for.
Yaphila mama.
Yaphila njani?
Yaphila mama.
The way they're feeling each other, dog.
Bye, puti kama.
Hayi kama nguzisanda
She
wakwaHadebe.
sounds overwhelmed. Listen.
Bye, puti kama.
Hayi kama nguzisanda wakwaHadebe. Ubhungane kaNtsele umakhulukhulu. Umama yena uba.
Nomfundo wa.
Hey, this bro with the 360s that he cannot see, boy. He's just doing a 360 just now. He's just doing a 360 J. You can't see it, boy.
Ukwazi mama.
You can't see her. Why you look like you can see her, bro? 2 minutes and now.
My brother straight, let's be honest.
You don't wanna you don't unfold. You guys don't wanna buzz. You guys wanna try to do something, be the couple of the house.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is a relationship based on us. They don't even know each other's names like that, though.
Okay, sharp.
That's the only
You guys
thing they know.
leave. When you leave, you go when Abraham, you go straight. My sister, they turn around, you go back straight. Ninga chase my camera one because it's all left. Go to your left. Move to your left. Both of you to your left. To your left. Ngasabi. Go straight, my sister. Go straight. Don't exceeded. Go straight.
They say God doesn't
Go
give you
straight.
everything.
My brother, you go to the. Go straight. Hamba. Yeah, you go to the up. You go to the right. My guy, you go to the right. My sister, you go to the left. Yes.
There we go. She got it now.
You guys, yeah, the crew will help you. Yes, you go straight. Go straight. Yes, Ungenile, you are inside. Okay, thank you. Oh, that was good, healthy, and organic.
Yeah, but that was lustful, let's be honest, guys. They didn't have a talking stage, those ones. I just started like crazy, dog. Started like crazy. But yeah, they didn't have a talking stage.
Want to
They
create
just
your
touched each
personal
other and it was
AI
like,
agent?
okay,
AI
you are
agents
mine, I am
could
yours.
simplify
Let's
certain
go.
tasks in ways
Settle
you never
people.
imagined before. Want to
Let's
learn
see the next couple. Why is this act showing me boobs though? The flip, yo!
They don't
Why
even
is
know
he jiggling,
each
bruh?
other's name. They were just touching. When we say people touch, we don't say like touch her eyes. Next couple, how are you guys doing? Are you guys alive? You guys look dead, man. Oh, because you guys can see you are in the dark. Yeah, it's good to stay in the dark so that at least when you see light, maybe you see something you like. I just said I'm a barbarian. 2 rhymes in 1 line. Another line that rhymes with a line.
Sometimes it's just the confidence, dog. It's not the body itself. It's just the confidence.
Ukhuluma noNobuhle wakamthetho Sibongo.
Awuzwakali?
Ukhuluma noNobuhle wakamthetho Sibongo.
Oh, awunobuhle. Ngiyathemba ukuthi lobuhle kukuwena okhuluma ngakho.
Angeke ngikuphikise.
Alright, so. No mfethu yazi ivoice yakho nje sivele yangichazayo ngingakubona ukubona.
Ngempela?
Ukhulumela kamnandi yazi.
Kuyangijabulisa ukuzwa lokho. Asithembe futhi uzongithanda.
Yeah.
Njengevoice yami.
That's the reason they're taking here, guys. Is it just me?
Abo njengoba sengichazwe yona. Awuvele singivele ngakuthanda nje kwawena nawe.
Since kuthiwe we are allowed to touch and hug.
Yeah, ngangithinta wenza noma yini nje khulule.
Noma yini? To a stranger. To a stranger. Wait. There's boundaries.
Okay.
There's boundaries, though.
Ngiyasondela nje.
I'm trying to reach out.
But you said noma yini. You permitted this, my brother. You permitted this.
No, akeze khulula kwazongithinta. Yeah,
That navigator went straight to where the doozle is. Hi, key.
No.
Yo!
I'm full.
Yo!
Okay.
Oh, no.
Stand up, Baba. Leave.
What is it?
Tell her that the cover is just financial muscle, dog. Literally, just tell her that the cover is financial muscle.
Leave. Just stand up.
Yo,
Go to your right. Move to your right. Move to your right.
Where?
Go to your left. Go straight.
I'm a boy.
No,
It's 2026, dog. Hit the gym.
Left.
Hit the gym.
Straight tip. Help him. So why?
I don't think over team.
Are you looking for 6-pack guys like us?
Like us, Literally doesn't even have a 6-pack. Oh, no.
If it's not there, it's internal. My 6-pack is just sitting opposite.
Oh.
I have it.
Wow.
Tell her that. That's still.
Ah.
Yeah. Hey. Literally, I'm allergic to men. I'm an allergic person. Can we start now?
Nkosazana njani?
Awubona njani?
Ngiyaziphilela nami ulinda ukuthi insizwa komapholoba le ngabe uba inkosazana.
Khuluma noNobuhle wakamthetho. Ngiyajabula ukwazi mapholoba.
Kujabula mina ngisacela ukuyengazi ngawe nje nkosazana ukuthi inkosazana yoba ayithandana.
uNobuhle igama nje kade sengishilo. I like to do outdoors activities a lot.
By that she means groove. Let me just translate it for you guys. This is the point where you exit. Because she's a groover star.
I like to socialize with people. I like to read. I'm just a cool person. Ophila ngaphansi kwemthetho.
But a cool blood, my brother.
How are we, loving?
Yeah. What you see is what you get. Okwamanje awukangiboni. Hopefully mawusungibona uzokuthanda uzokubona.
Uthanda insizwe kanjani njengomtshela wena?
I like a man
And a six pack.
on a six pack.
Yo, disqualification. Oh no.
I like umuntu onama goals.
Yeah.
I like a loving, caring man. Ngiyayithanda protection.
Manje ubucabanga empilweni zokuthola konke lokho nje ukuthi na uthola umuntu onayo yonke lokho.
Listen to this girl carefully.
Caring man. Ngiyayithanda protection.
She likes to get protected, but she likes to groove. A protective man doesn't allow their girlfriend to be grooving like that. Let's be honest. This is how you know that she's kind of toxic, dog. Like she doesn't know what she wants.
Manje ubucabanga empilweni zokuthola konke lokho nje ukuthi na uthola umuntu onayo yonke leyo nto leyo.
I'm not looking for perfect, but close to perfect.
Akukho ufuna ukwazi njengamapholoba.
Ngiyafisa ukwazi okuningi ngawe. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ungichazele ngawe.
Njoba mina ngilapha ngidinga umuntu engizokwazi ukuthi ngibambisane naye, sihloniphane, futhi ngikwazi ukuthi ngimenzele konke akufisayo. Angazi ukuthi inkosazana ngabe uyena ndo muntu loyo.
Ngiyakuzwa ngalokho okushoyo. Izo zonke izinto oyidinga kumuntu wesifazane, right? If I can ask you a question, umuntu onjani? What do you like?
Oh, okay.
Ama dislikes wakho.
Okay. Ngiqalela into ngingumuntu omhloniphayo umvile eqala okusho kathi uNkulunkulu ngiyamhlonipha. Nginothando, ngiyakuthanda futhi ukudlala.
He'll cheat on you, my sister. You see the God-fearing people, watch out. He will cheat on you like crazy.
Ngijatshule enye into futhi ngiyathanda ukuthi na ngibambisane nomndeni wami. Ngithanda ukujabula nje. Into engihambisa phambili injabulo nemfudumalo yothando. Lunye.
I can work with that.
Jabi innocent shadow. Jabi innocent shadow.
Deserve more views. The latest video has the
Let's
potential to
keep
reach
it. It's gonna get
millions,
quiet, guys. What do
but
you guys
somehow
think?
it just
I'm thinking he's gonna get quiet off the jump. They're gonna feel that power and they're gonna be out.
That's Pelili. You guys are the couple of the house. Siya sengahaga manje nishiye. Kahle because 2 minutes iphelile.
She said she wants 6 packs.
Okay.
Yeah.
She said she wants 6 packs.
Nima lapho uyamoya haga awukhumuli mask bese niyahamba. Man hamba ngizon director, you listen to my mouth and then you use your left hand ear because I'm gonna say left and right.
She said she wants 6 packs, my brother.
Hey, why ngathi niyasabana?
Hayi mama pholo. Isi happy 6 pack. Okay.
So now you want the 6 pack, you don't want the 6 pack.
Ngoba sechazile ukuthi ayidingakalile kangaka 6 pack sesobona phambili.
Hey, yeah, left. Move to your
So
left.
the wrist saved him, let's be honest.
Left, that's your right, my man. Can't do it. Una di mic di lekeleti. Kore bo mapholo wa mona. Aperelo jama Nigeria ba re ke mapholo. Can't do it ngani. Kamo aperelo jama Nigeria. Ona le bo Nigeria Zulu. Don't forget to like, oh no. Next couple, bye. Madam affair.
Where are the slow bunnies?
This is the chair.
That's my question. Where are the slow bunnies?
Touch it, feel it. Yeah.
Ah, woman. Cameraman, lock in. Cameraman, lock in, man. Lock in.
Welcome to my bar, Brandeis, right? And the time starts right now.
Ayiqale nkosazana. Ngizwe ngathi ukhuluma kamnandi kakhulu. Ngifuna ukudedela yena aqala ngimosha.
Uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila wema konjani?
Ngiright indaba sabukhuluma.
Yo, this is not gonna go well. I'm telling you now, this is not gonna go well, Mchana.
Sabukhuluma yazwe mama phela fanele ngibe yisoka lana ngingavele nje ngidlubulundele ngidlela isikhala. Fanele ngidedele wena aqala. Undlala inkundla bese ngiyangenelela ke nami.
All right, ngikhuluma noba.
Khuluma noSpesihle lana kaMsimango.
Okay.
Khuluma noba.
Usne.
Alikho igama enjalo nkosikazi.
Isinenhlanhla Mkhize baba.
She's saying Baba now. She started off aggressive. Next thing, she's now feminine. She's submitting to
Okay.
Khuluma noba.
Usne.
Alikho igama enjalo nkosikazi.
Isinenhlanhla Mkhize baba.
Yo!
Sinenhlanhla Mkhize nakho ke ngiyakuzwa ke manje.
Uphumaphi?
Mina ngiqhamuka eMlazi, elokishini nje straight.
Abantu basemtazi kuthiwa babambana inkunzi njalo.
He's about to steal your heart, girl. It's shy. He's about to steal your heart.
Wayekutshela imbodane loyo. Mana ngicela ulule izandla zakho yazi ngithi ukufila kancane. Angikwazi phela ukukhuluma hey ndofo kamnandi. Nezinga lakho lokushisa futhi kuyalizwa ukuthi hayi.
Ngiyashisa baba stop 66 ngiyadlala.
Hayi asikho 6 leso 616.
Baba reason. Timothy.
Ngicela usondele kancane eduze. Kumele ngiyizwe phela umuntu ongikhuluma naye. Ngithi ukufila.
Aye man, my brother, first day you grabbing Nyash. Aye man, man. This is a lack of Nyash grabbing. You know that the bro has been singing for too long when he starts doing this. Why are you grabbing Nyash though?
Hayi. Awube yi gentleman, wakijima ngaka.
Yona lengizwa ngithi phela fanele nakho.
My brother. That's why he's trying right now. Relax.
Fanele kube ngathi ngiyakubona uyayizwa leyo nto leyo.
I think I had enough mina ungibamba wakho.
Yini enough man yini leyo?
It's a quack.
Kanti awuncwadanga.
Mana ay.
You cannot be fast when it comes to sexual things, then be slow to catch guys. You can, my brother. Hold on.
Awuthi phela bamba ilamza kancane.
No.
They haven't even seen each other. This brother dog about basamlazi ninjani dog.
Ngiyabonga. Hi.
I see, sit down, my brother, sister. That means he said he doesn't want you in the show right now. Leave.
Why?
Leave.
Okay.
You don't ask why. How can you?
You know what he did? He knows he's about to go quiet, so he's quaying her first, so the other girl comes in instead of him going out. Smart guy.
Move. Left. That's right. You're going to the left. Go back. That's not back, that's forward. Go forward. Yeah, team, help her.
Lo muntu usala lo muntu ungishaya ngebhande lelamza.
It's the first time seeing you. Somebody tell him, dog. Their first time meeting, first time talking. The next thing he wants a kiss. Hey, man.
Ilamza wena bafo. Suka.
So unafuna ilamza.
Mele ngishaya ilamza bafo. Ngizwe ukuthi ngihamba naye ngempela uyabona. Ngiyezwa bona ukuthi ayena ukhona. Uyabona umphako ukhona, ukudla kukhona yonke into ihlelekile.
Next thing they're gonna say Zulus are thirsty. Like this guy's ruining everything though.
What it make a spoon.
Angithi yabona
BBL.
Manje uyabona ngathi
marafuna ukumlamza.
Kumele ngimlamse bafo.
Ulethele umuntu. No, uzohlala la.
Angafambishe manje my brother.
Yeah, but kumele uye ngaphambili kanje.
You cannot farm me now.
Yes, opposite. Uyahlala. I'm literally anti-manitic. If you don't know that word, that means I don't like men. I'm a woman man. Hi guys.
Hi.
Ninjani. Okay, sharp. He just rejected another lady. Ngicela ukuthi ngiqale 2 minutes enu iqala manje.
Ngiyidi lapha. Nkosazana kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Yazi ukhuluma mnandi ngathi ngiyakubona manje ubani igama.
He told that to the other girl. Literally 2 minutes ago he was saying that to another girl.
Igama small.
Buka nje ngigitaza ngingakasho lutho mana small.
Yes.
Small nje liphelela lapho wakabana small.
Wakadlamini Sibongo.
Small Dlamini lelo gama igama la ngempela nje elithe.
Leke ID nje. Nkosiyami.
Yini le encane wemama ngiyathemba ukuthi njengoba usmall nje kuncane inzondo kuningi uthando. Last born.
Small girl in fact.
Number 1. Kuhleke
ngicela parent dog. You name your child small. I don't think he's being honest.
Mama angazi ulule izandla.
All right.
Nakho awuzweke. Kamduze phela hayi angishoke khululeka angishoke.
Nana ke phela mina ngibona.
Nami ngibone ngizwa ngathi ngiyakubona kodwa.
Okay.
Awuzweke. Kamduze phela
angishoke. Igama wena ubani?
Siphesihle nakho.
He's already trying to touch her. Meanwhile she doesn't even know his name. This guy is saying he's opening, he is speeding, boy. Hiking. What do you mean, dog?
Ngijabulela nakho nje ukuthi uyafuna na ukuthi ungazi uyabona.
All right.
Shuthi khona la esingaya khona.
This guy is not thirsty, dog.
Ngiyakuzwa. Hayi, uyintombi ekhethela impela ngiyakuzwa ukuthi hayi. ukhona mana awuthi ngumanqazi kancane ngelanza.
They barely know each other's names and is asking for a kiss. Bastrata! Who?
Wenzani?
Who? They go for the streets, dog. Joanna. Awa, my dad. Awa. This is a 24
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without knowing how to code. This is Base 44. This is a first look at the current industry-leading AI app builder.
They don't even know each other's names. They just know each other's names. That's all. They don't know each other's personalities. Awa. And then they say men are dogs, dog. So they only know each other's names and they started kissing. Next thing she's getting quack.
Ngathi udla umoba. Ngathi udla umoba ngeke. Siphe isitalo sami ngihlale phansi ngeke phela.
Angikuboni nokubona nje ukuqala phela mhlambe.
You are not allowed to take off the blindfold.
Oh. Mina ngicela ngimbone at least. Mhlambe angimboni.
Ngathi udla umoba lo muntu lona ngiyabona uzongiqeda nje straight manje.
Suka.
So amphuni.
Ayangifuni ngeke Joseph mfethu. Naye lo mbonisa umnyango ngikhiphe ngomnyango naye la qhamuka khona ngifuna omunye ngeke. Now
abaphelile mara my sister you guys leave kodwa niphelile akusana mathando. Akusana more.
He's about to take her. Watch this. He might just change the session right now.
Kanjani?
Baphelile abanye abafazi bathathiwe.
Uzomthola phi komunye?
Sizomthola omunye icebo lizozakha mina ngivuleki.
Lizozakha kanjani icebo?
Ungawazi amandla.
Phela niphelile like sicedile. You guys should leave like. Ushayile ibhela ngisho ndoda.
Kunjalo nje. Ngishona ngako mina mase ngishilo nje. Ngathi nje cha. Ngithi cha.
That's a real Zulu man.
Nicely. I've had a kiss before. Some of them with the ladies, but yeah, but I guess it was when I was a man with no honor. Now I'm a man with honor. They call me Buddha. Yeah, you guys, your 2 minutes starts now. These are rejects.
Alright. She's back, guys, she's back.
Ngiyaphila. Ngindaba khulumela phansi pho.
Sorry. Hey.
Ngakwazi ukuthinta?
Yeah. How check my phones?
He just done this. He done this one.
Yena phela lo mina bengimlindile. Ngiyakuza mangizibele lakho la.
Hayi bo wena.
Ikamuba konje?
Musine wena?
Nokhuluma noNhlakaphi thoka ngiphi?
Alright la uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Amakhaya kephi? Sokaphi?
Asuke eMandeni cabanga wena.
How? So eSikhawini.
Where are these places, dog? Like, hold on.
Ngizwe ngalo ndawo but angiyazi kodwa sengizoyazi ngoba sekukhona wena.
Hayi, sequthukela nje sokwawuthi ukhulile.
Hawu shuthi uqale ngishiye mina leni mase yadlula ke wena yakini.
By the way, this is a girl that loves six packs.
Yanijabulisa ukuthi ngihlala umuntu engimazi which means kukhulu kakhulu isisazo kwazana ngakho sobawuthune.
I hope so. Bazona ezilihle. Yaze lazothi izilakho.
Yeah, izwe lendoda phela kumele lizothi yabo. Umfazi kumele ukukhuluma kakhulu ayindoda.
Hayi bo qonda ukuthini ngabantu besifazane?
No, uyena vele nje owaniwe ukuthi ekhuluma kakhulu indoda kumele ikhulume into straight.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa ke.
Yeah.
Oh no, 2, 1.
Ke yazibukeka angazi mangithinta nje umzimba wakho.
Yeah, 2 minutes is try. I just made it look like you guys. It doesn't matter. Yeah, you guys can leave. You guys the couple of the show. But you know when you're dealing with rejects, you just want to get them rid of them. Yeah, you guys are the couple of the show. You guys can hug, do whatever you wanna do, and then move away. Cause yeah, uthumthatho ubeka isandla. I can't tell feeling. Why are you feeling?
Yo, when they're talking about hugs, my brother's standing up so quick in Boog. Looking at it.
I can't tell. And why are you feeling?
You miss this hard boy. Yo, she touched them car.
Okay.
What's the food doing?
My James. My James. On the first time meeting, you already want to grab Nyash. Just lock in, Majida. Lock in.
Njaha guys mina.
Uyiphathe ihaki.
Yazi le ngoma ethi Shela? Okay. Hake kahle.
Akayazi lo. Awazi ingoma ethi Shela. Umuntu wesifazane obamba kahle. Wena uyamjaha so ufuna
ukujaha. Kuthiwa ngiyasho nje uthi yazi le ngoma ethi Shela.
Ugqoke ne-vest inside the white t-shirt. A white vest. Why are you going left?
You saw that. Cameraman need to be fired. You're not doing your job. You're not nagging Nyash. Let's be honest. You are nagging Nyash. What is this shot?
Left.
Who is down there? Tell me. Who is down here, cameraman?
The last part of the show gets here. So let's go to the people and then let's unband float. Let's show them who they choose. Who did they choose, and then we see if they wanna be with them and then connect with them.
Is it just me? Bam. What is this being saying? He's just saying something, but what he's saying, we can hear what he's saying. High key, we're getting clap our ad. Okay, those couples are looking
Work
good.
today.
There's only one couple that actually chose
every
each other. The
day.
rest was just
People
rejects
juggle
that
so
are put
many
together.
different tools
High
just
key.
to get work done. A simple.
Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, but there was only one couple that actually chose each other right here. Let's see what actually happened there. Did they find love for real or are they gonna separate?
June is for Durbanians, July actually. But I'm saying I'm here in December. I'm with them. They're not having that fun. Like they are not useless like you drinking alcohol. You don't even.
Hey, Baba, we're getting a lecture from Joseph now. Relax, Joseph.
They
Relax.
in Zimbabwe. You are in. Your guy you are buying alcohol from is in Dubai, chilling, smoking.
Relax, Mchana. Relax. Calm down.
They just woke up in Zimbabwe. Yeah, so clap your hands for you guys for making it to the house. Yeah, so my name is Joseph Dari. I'm back again. This is Joseph Dari Love Show. We didn't have the name actually. They just said Love Show Joseph Dari and we just go with that one. I guess we don't need like literally like I'm that guy, bro. We give it if we wake up and say the more.
That guy can't even put a sentence together. Wait a minute.
The show is going. It's me. Come on. So guys, we did the blindfold. And then I want to show you guys the person you guys picked. And then if you like to stay with the person that when I tell you that this is the person you picked, if you want to stay with the person, you stay with the person. Then you are the couple of the house. If you don't want to stay with the person, you tell us why you don't want to stay with the person. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. From the end, you guys didn't pick each other. Yeah.
Yo, look at my brother. He's like, yo, I flopped, dog. I flopped. Meanwhile, he was like, you didn't kiss me properly. You didn't kiss me properly. First time seeing the girl, you're already kissing her. But she didn't kiss me properly. Pause, bro. Pause.
The one you kissed.
He's regretting everything now. Now you're wishing you should have taught her how to kiss. Well, let's see how it goes.
Bengingathudla umoba usisi. Manje kufanele yazi nginocabanga ngaye la ukuthi ngimnikeze izifundo ezincane.
When you look at her now, what do you feel?
Hey, ukhona yena.
Yeah.
Ukhona. Kodwa ke into yokuthosa usayidinga yona ngoba phela awushayi khona.
Okay. When how do you feel about him? That one.
Usevele wangithina off nje. Indlela asho ngayo ukuthi lapho mhlawumbe bengaqali nokuqala.
But looking at him, what does he look like? Did that look like something you can touch? Make use.
My sister, don't lie just because he quit you. Relax, don't lie.
Useful something, yeah.
Maybe we can try.
Yeah.
She's being honest.
You're one in jail at least. Yeah.
If I ask you no jab, then what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
Oh, you think you can try with him?
I can.
According to you, wena?
Asame sibone.
Ufuna ukubona. Okay, go. You wanna see her ngisho?
Yeah.
Go stand next to her. So you guys move
need
like
to grow in
that.
jab. 2026, the goal is to grow in jab, guys. You need to grow in jab. I'm joking. Don't hold me to that shit. I'm just joking. Don't hold me to that shit. I don't give a shit.
Ngimbuzile ukuthi une show yini.
Okay, clap hands for the couple. Couple of the house. First couple of the house. So we name you guys number 1. Okay? Number 1, brother. This is the lady that you were with on the date.
ukukhetha mina phela yoyiphelele intokazi mangiyibuka impela lebe ngiyifuna.
You are happy with the eyes?
Kakhulu kodwa nje akayikhumule sengimbona ibuka ukhipha ibuka ngibo.
Well, now what do you like what you see?
Can I ask?
Yes.
What if ngishitsha umqondo? What if
Yo, boy, she wasn't blushing, she was laughing.
anginayo sho but
It's up to you that one.
My sister's laughing. Oh
Do you like what you see?
ngimlenze one
way,
in.
yeah?
Ngimlenze one in.
You are one.
One leg in.
Yo.
No, angishongo lutho. Umuhle right but.
She's lying.
Oh,
Earlier on, she said she likes 6 packs. There's no 6 pack there.
He's handsome. He looks presentable.
Pella, now I'm not from Hamas Kral. I can see a nice guy. Like,
No, phela lalela.
I can see a nice
Wait,
guy.
that's why no cheese boy.
You can't tell me your eyes doesn't see like mine.
Okay.
Okay, sharp. So,
Angiphendulanga
awuphendulanga mina.
when he didn't answer me.
You can't be inside and outside. It's either you're inside or outside. You are inside, ne? Okay.
Are you inside, my sister?
Okay.
Is my sister
That's for the
inside,
couple. So you go stand next to her with
She's
like
inside.
that. Yes, sir. Let's say. Yes, sir. Couple number 2. They are cooking, sister. You wanna see the guy you were with? Who do you think it is from these guys?
From the tree?
Yeah, from this tree.
Better choose the guy you were hugging. High key. She better choose the guy she was hugging. Let's see if she chose the guy she was hugging, guys. Kazebana. Tomba, I don't know who I hugged. Let's see.
Maybe this one?
Maybe this him.
Yeah.
You wanna like him?
Hold on! Hold on with the selection though! Chill! Chill!
Yeah.
Apparently, unfortunately, on the comma of every entry, this is the guy you chose. This is the guy you chose, brother. Bami Mike, Pella, I'm not your mic guy.
Right, cool. Yeah, umama ngokwami usharp. Yeah. I would like to
I don't think my brother has a deep voice like that. Relax, Lord. Relax. Calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, sharp mostly.
You wanna grab her again?
No, I just wanna confirm. Good lady.
You can't confirm. I agree you get up, do you hold? I can't lie to you.
Oh,
yeah. So what do you think about this guy? She's good. Let me stand here.
Okay. Inkinga enginayo iyodwa. Right?
It's short.
The time sisakhuluma laphaya uthe yena wafuna amantombazana athanda izinto.
Uthi uyawafuna.
Ungihambele phambili mina angisho ukuthi ngithanda izinto like a groove and stuff. Ngithe ngithanda izinto kuphela yena wangena kwi groove. Ngibe ngingekho lapho. No, ngifuna siyilungise leyo nto ukuthi bekuthatha indaba ye groove.
Okay, she's pressing you right now. Okay.
Bengakakuboni mama.
So that looks could have changed the fact that he's thinking it's groove. I wonder.
So menza la go ngiyakhona. Yeah. I must expect don't know. You still in one man. See me. I'm out here.
You're gonna try with girl, I can't lie, boy. She made groove. My boy is changing decisions just because she looks good. Quay, boy. Quay.
What I say? Are you in or out?
We can try.
Okay, when
No,
you are in or out?
In.
Okay. Okay, let's move again. Let's move along. Move. Clap hands for them. Let's go. Which one do you think is the one? You already see. You can see. You okay? Who? You already see.
You already see. Oh no.
You had. She had a whole feeling of a volcano. Like,
Yeah, I think it's him.
you think it's him?
Yes.
When you look at him, does he look like the person you wanna appreciate your heart with?
Honestly,
Yes.
I don't think ukuthi he has lama qualities lawa ngiwafunayo. Like I said.
Uthe ufuna six pack mara uthe ukubamba umkhaba wathi
But either way, I think he's a very nice guy. We had a good conversation. Just that ukuthi.
Do you see my six pack is inside?
Preference.
Joseph, relax umkhaba wakho. We know it's umkhaba. We know.
Right, you can't see it. It's literally built in. It's a built-in six pack.
Oh, do you want me to see it?
A built-in iPhone.
Do you want me to see it?
Not
She's
now.
sweating right now. Hold on.
Okay.
Maybe after the show. I'm kidding. So you don't want him?
No.
I was like,
I'm out.
bro. Sis. Oh, what you look? Hey. What you look?
Phela indoda efanele idle ithukuthuku zayo yabo.
Yabo. Umkhuluko le kumele ukhiphe Jimmy.
Yo.
Ukhipha la.
Not in front of the house, Joseph. Not in front of the house. No,
ade ngiqale ngaqhuma phela yabo. Insizwa fanele iqale igqume phela yabo. Easily. Yabona le nto le.
It doesn't explain you sweating right now, though. Relax. Calm down.
Uthi akafuni umama. Nangu
i-choice yakhe phela yabo.
Yeah, i-choice
yakhe anginankinga nalokho. But ke ngibe nesikhathi esimnandi naye uxoxa naye. Ngiyambona nje into wazera.
Umtshelile ukuthi you own agriculture.
Yeah.
Do you know he owns agriculture?
Yes, I'm very much aware.
So that's umkhaba. It's just financial muscle, dog. Literally, it is financial muscle.
But like you can move. I'm sorry, my brother, sister. This is the guy. Clap hands. Apparently, they didn't talk. They just touched each other, and then they were feeling each other's muscles. They said they choose each other. Brother, here's your person. I don't know what you wanna say, bro. Do you think it's a good pick?
Mama.
What to tell you 360?
Talk, khuluma kahle. Talk properly, bro.
Sicela uphenduke ngiyibone ke manje. Sengifuna ukuyibona phela. Phenduka mama.
Hold her hand and help her rotate.
Wena phenduka sokuvala me. You are not chosen.
Phenduka. Shembe.
Call yourself religious. Next thing you're calling Shembe on a sexual thing.
Ngihephi.
Relax, bro. Calm down.
You can hire them. Chop.
I know, mina ngihappy. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah,
My
I'm
sister,
happy.
are you happy with what you see? Mtshele phela ungatsheli mina ebani.
Happy kakhulu.
Yeah, that mic yakho phela. You have to speak on the mic. Are you happy with what you see?
Yes.
Do you want to stay with him?
Khulukhulu.
What makes you think that you like him?
Indoda yabona indlela akhuluma ngayo yenza ukuthi indoda le indoda.
He's literally soft, my sister. He's the softest guy in the house.
Exactly.
Angeke phela khona.
You see now, I don't think it's actually she because the guy's masculine. It's just because the other option is big guy over here, you know, the guy next to him.
Abomfunile abangamthandi wamanje yabo.
I see what you are cooking. Okay, be with each other. Let's clap hands for them. Move, baba. Move. And move. Uhlala lapha, my sister. Wena brawami uyangala.
Oh no,
she's not your person. Yes. Hey. So we are cooking, eh? Are we cooking? So you guys, these are the couples of the day and the night, eh? So you guys head now from here, eh? Yes. So you guys don't want each other, well?
They have to want each other now.
Hey.
Huh. It's ego, boy. You're getting eliminated just because you don't want the other person. You could have stole someone else during the show, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Could have stole someone during the show. Let's see what happened next, guys. Let's see what happened next.
How you saw the person after the date. There's few rules in the house, eh? No noise, be with a person. You are not here for the crowd. If you are here for a person, if you feel like you like a person and you're a man, don't be a pap nigga. We are not cooking pap here. It's not Limpopo. Be there, go to the lady, but don't be making a lot of noise. We are in Zimbabwe. So I want you guys to enjoy, have fun. This show is for you guys. and then be by the show. So you guys can go to the rooms now.
You guys are too grown to be doing that. Hold on. You know they can tell you guys to run, but no, you guys are too grown to be doing this. Hey, bro. Ow. Someone's gonna get the girl child. I can sense it. I can sense it, boy. Like this. This guy's single. Why is he still in the house? Okay, so people are trying to find rooms, guys. I think we all get what's happening. Now they're eating. Ooh! Damn, boy! It's just a honeymoon phase. Don't get excited, brother. This is just a honeymoon phase. Eventually, it might come to an end. You know what I'm saying? It's just a honeymoon phase, boy. Ah! Ah! Oh, wow. Oh, wow, boy. All the girls are bringing their main food. You see, it's just peer pressure, dog. Relax. It's just a honeymoon phase.
Like uthanda into efanayo like bomali ke nathanda into efanayo like uthande izinto nami ngithanda izinto i-relationship yethu ayila yabo fanele futhi at the same time anginankinga mina nani office uthenzeka ukula udala I have to go jog if you feel comfortable with that.
So she makes sense.
She's lying. She's just gonna stay in bed and sleep, dog. It's the honeymoon phase. People cap during the honeymoon phase, clearly.
So she makes sense.
Ay, angifuni ukudlala ngawe. Uyabona indlela eqabule ngayo. Ay, ngivele ngabona ukuthi kodwa nje
indlela kade ngimi ngayo it was not comfortable. And I wanted to feel you bengakufeel.
Mana ke phela
so I was starting then when I just ngisaqala and you just jump ukuthi
hayi kuyiphutha lokusho phela awudingi amehlo ukuze ungifile
no ngaphandle
izandla nje
nomzimba. I was touching you but didn't feel.
There's other people in the room. This couple needs to chill though. They need to chill.
I just love a sweet guy. Very patient, Phil. Man,
okay, I'm
patient, sweet, and understand what I'm shy. I mean, I'm shy. One thing I don't know, I'm very shy.
Sure.
Understand and I local.
As long as you come out,
I'm relaxed now. I'm calm. But that's just fuck.
Are they stealing her man? Oh, they're stealing her man.
It's not the privacy. Get what man. Get now. Wait.
Ah, my boy. Ah, my boy.
Get now. Okay, ufuna ukuthi ube khona. Ithetha lithathele private because wena awusiniki isikhathi.
Uzomdonsa kanje vele. Ake ngishela ukuthi ngiyahamba mina so that nizoba nesikhathi nobabili. Like yini?
Let's spoil it back.
No.
My sister.
You can have 2 minutes with
me. He's already caught cheating, dog.
Mama, please.
No, this guy. This guy.
Isithini lapha? He's about
to get in a fight. When there's fine shit around. High key. You guys cannot be fighting around fine shit. In there, boy, relax. Not around fine shit. Ah, you see now? He lost order, this guy. He lost order. Now he has to fight. Now he has to fight. He's defending his order now. What is Spider gonna do? Sit on him. What? Let's be honest. What is he gonna do? Let the scorer sort it out himself.
Hey, Bofan. Man, let's do it.
Why is the guys fighting? Ah, the men don't fight like that. Men don't fight like that.
Hey, Bofan.
Men do not fight like that.
Man, let's do it. Let's do it.
No.
Let's do it. Man, you open to shower.
He's getting ganged up upon. Oh no. Boy. Oh no. Oh, man. This looks like a girl fighting. Wait. Oh, fine. Yo, Ferry Ceylan wasn't exposed until this fight, boy. Oh no, boy. Yo, this guy's cheating with another girl that is not his girlfriend. Why is he doing that? He's stealing someone's girlfriend mid-fight.
Asambe.
Hey, wena mfana. Hey, wena. Nesiphatho wena mfana ngesizwe ngawe le ndaba. Nesizwe ngawe. Nesizwe ngawe. Nesizwe ngawe. Ngasitshela wena. Bonisa mzakhe yami. Ngasitshela wena baba.
Oh no, fight shit alive. The fight is about to get worse. It's about to get worse. This guy was single, now he's with a girl because gents are fighting. They're stealing your can. They're stealing your hand, ba.
Njengoba ngikhuluma nami uzokhuluma nami nomzokhuluma.
Ngizobala ka-5 ngicela wena.
Bro. That was the gravitational pull of the Nyash. Look at that. That shit was tilting over, bro.
Where were you?
And she was
Just
tilting
enter
over.
your domain.
We know where the weight is.
Click scan.
We know where the weight is, Richard.
And get a personalized UX to do.
They stole his girlfriend now.
Bona njalo.
They stole your gold, dog. This guy was single, now he's stealing people's gold. The game has to be rigged in some way or form. We're watching sex scenes now at this point. I can't imagine. Everyone's face is nice. You're helping each other watch dishes. The next thing will tell I have my face. I think your face, dog. Watch the sofa! Wait! Watch the sofa! Watch the sofa! Oh no! Yo! Cameraman, bro! This cameraman needs to get fired, boy! Like, it's always just showing Yash, dog. Like, I don't even want to show that shit, but like, he's always showing this Yash. Like, he doesn't even think about his angles, though. It's like, maybe I need to catch the side view, you know what I'm saying? He's just showing Yash, this guy. He's just there for the Yash. He's just here. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you for making it till this far, bro. See you in the next episode. Peace out.